is the beautiful view of Mumbai. Now I'm entering here. You can see. So this is the swimming pool area. And you can see here. Wow. Wow. Full leg massage होगा. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So finally guys, नोवोटेल का टूर दिखाता हूँ. ये रूम में क्या क्या फैसिलिटी है, क्या क्या नहीं, सब कुछ मैं दिखाता हूँ और रूम भी दिखाता हूँ. एंड वन मोर थिंग इज दैट नोवोटेल में 30 मिनट्स का स्पा भी है इधर. दैट इज कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री. एंड इवन कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री वी हैव दी लॉन्ड्री ऑल्सो. एटलीस्ट वन पेयर ऑफ क्लॉथ यू कैन एबल टू गिव. सो दैट इज ऑल्सो कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री. और इसमें आकर स्विमिंग पूल, जिम सेशन सब कुछ है. ये ब्लॉग में हर चीज़ में कवर करूँगा. और बफे सिस्टम में क्या क्या मिलेगा, क्या क्या नहीं, सब कुछ ये ब्लॉग में कवर करूँगा. और ये ब्लॉग को टिल एंड तक देखना, बिना स्किप करें. चलो ये ब्लॉग को शुरू करेंगे. सो दिस इज द रूम. नाउ आई एम एंटरिंग हियर. यू कैन सी हियर. वाओ. सो लेट मी गो विथ वन बाय वन. लेट मी ओपन कबर्ड. सो यू हैव द आयरन and this is the table, iron table for ironing. And this is our dress, and I kept my pants here. And this is a locker. You can see locker here. And we have the slippers, socks, everything. Now I'm going to the bathroom now. This is the, we have the, like this one. This is the kit, dental kit and shaving kit, everything. This is a tissue, and we have the hand wash and body lotion. So this is the, so here you can see bathtub. Wow, it's so beautiful. We have the 2 towels, and you can see shampoo, shower gel and conditioner. So bathtub, it's very good. And you can see this is a view. So if you want to see the bedroom here, let me on that. When I on, here we have the this one button. Here we have the button, and you can see here. Wow. Ta-da! So here you can see. So you can see this is the view. Now let me make it down. अभी देखो नीचे आ रहा भी है automatically. So like that. Yeah. Now I will show. This is my bag. We have the bottles and glass, and we have kettle, and these are the tea, chai, lemon tea, green tea, sugar free, everything we have, and 2 mugs. This is the bedroom. So we have the bed, and you can see the lighting here. Wow, this is, and now you can see it's closing. So this is the lighting. Oh, abhi this is a TV. You can see. Wow, this is so good. And we have the sheet. If you want to, you can able to note down anything. And this is the remote. And here we have the lighting here. So just if you press here, it will get off. If you click here, it will be on. So this is the lighting. And this is a sofa, we can see here. And I gave the dress for ironing and washing. They brought this. So this is the dress I have. They did ironing and this is a study table. ये study table है, and you can see the beautiful view from here. This is a beautiful view of Mumbai. अभी मेट्रो तो बंद हो गया, so and from here you can see the beautiful view of our hotel room. Wow. So this is a hotel. Finally I'm getting sleep, and I'll show you in morning my like breakfast what are the items we'll be having. And morning I have the massage spa for 30 minutes, that also I'll show you. And tomorrow at 9 o'clock I booked the appointment for 30 minutes spa massage, so that everything I'll show you. If they allow, I'll show you. And breakfast also I'll show you tomorrow, so you can see. अभी मैं जा रहा हूँ स्पा सेशन 30 मिनट्स का वो करने के वास्ते. तो ये अगर स्पा सेशन है अभी देखेंगे. दिस इज अ स्पा. तो इधर मेल एंड फीमेल का भी है सेपरेट. लेट्स सी. सो ये सब कुछ फैसिलिटी है. यू कैन सी द ऑयल हियर, what oil you can able to use, and you have to warm everything. And right now they are giving the welcome drink. Welcome drink there. We are waiting for that. Now I'm drinking amla juice for relaxation. अभी मेरा लेग मसाज हो गया, अभी फुल बॉडी मसाज है. So these are the oils they use. You can see so calm, so nice. अभी मसाज सब कुछ हो गया, so we can't show so much there. अभी मैं जा रहा हूँ ब्रेकफास्ट को. ऑलमोस्ट लेट हो गया ब्रेकफास्ट. I need to have the breakfast now. So we have the right now I'm having this paneer paratha. College brought this one item. So I'm eating paneer paratha. Poha is there. Now I got the masala dosa. And I ordered masala omelette also. We're waiting for that. So अभी मैं स्विमिंग पूल जा रहा हूँ. So this is a swimming pool area. So no hotel. This is a view of from no hotel. Jabardast hai view, and it's a no hotel, and you can see the view of Mumbai from here. देखो मेट्रो, यहाँ मेट्रो आसपास है इधर, कंटिन्यूसली मेट्रो आते रहता है इधर। बात कभी कर रहा हूँ, वो पानी आ रहा है, पानी आ रहा। तो अभी मैं ऑफिस के लिए रेडी होना चाहिए। सो ये व्लॉग को मैं इधर ही एंड करता हूँ। आपको ये वीडियो पसंद है तो प्लीज़ लाइक करो, शेयर करो, सब्सक्राइब करो। सो फॉर मोर अपडेट्स, अंटिल देन टेक केयर, बाय बाय।